Welcome to Ifak's #1 stop to entertainment and trending news. Now, TikTok star Nyako is really pulling the waves on TikTok. Now, she does not filter and sometimes leaving people with a shock factor over what she says publicly.
Nowadays, my kids, they are aware. My mother is going to eat. Huh? Ati hizo ni nini anaongea hapa? Ati my kids, cannot listen. Which child doesn't know that the mother is enjoying Mijulus? In this today world, today, 21st century, which child doesn't know that the mother is eating Mijulus? Which one? All the children, they have iPhone, they have bullshit. When they walk to school, they can scroll YouTube.
And that is Nyako for you. And right now there's something called Nyako Students, and people are syncing to her sound. And someone who even joined the mix is Amira, as she also took to share that she's also one of the Kenyans who are enjoying this Nyako sounds. Let's have a look at what Amira did.
Mtu ameingia America juzi, hata hajapata residential permit, anabweka hapa online kama umbwa koko kibogoyo. Since Andrew Kibe landed in America, you can think he lives in heaven. Coming to disgrace Kenyans left, right, center. Tema, Andrew Kibe, Tema. Try me again, Andrew Kibe.
As you can see, Amira pia hajawachwa nyuma na hizi Nyako sounds that are going around on TikTok. Maybe let's just see one or two from Kenyans before we wrap this up.
I also don't have much time in this world because I am a very sick person. I could pass away anytime, and I want to leave legacy. I want to leave something good to the world. I want to be remembered in a good way. The small time I have, let me share it in a good way. Anybody bullying me out, just know that you are dealing with somebody who is dying.
Few moments later.
Auka is a businessman. Now I have time. Justice for Auka. Is Auka my brother? Auka ni mamangu ama ni babangu? Get off my face, chat. You can only make me. You can't break me, maumbwa. Taka hizi. Kasome mamako. Hamta ni use tena. Nobody will use me again on this platform. Maumbwa. I repeat, Auka is a businessman. Sasa na imagine tu, wale wanawake usema, mimi niko independent. I earn my money. I don't need a man. Usiku huwa mnadu. Unapiga kuma na nyaunyo. I can't be a Kikuyu. In the strongest term was it? No. Mimi nishina nimekula mudokoi. Na niko na 1 million kwa bank. Ile banki yao huwa inaitwaje? That's their bank account. Inaitwagaje?
Equity.
4 million in arrest equity.
As you can see, many are living for those Nyako sounds, and when you just come across them, they're so hilarious. And even Amira decided to join in, and as you can see, she also follows what is happening out there. Well, thanks so much for watching. You're up to date. Subscribe if you haven't for this more updates. Hit your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified once you have any new uploads. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.